Aladdin Creations.
Did you know that the immune system has microscopic factories that produce antibodies like a defense army? Those factories are plasma cells, and today we're diving deep into what they are, how they look, and why they're crucial in diagnosing diseases. What are plasma cells? Plasma cells are mature, fully differentiated B lymphocytes. Their main job? Producing large amounts of antibodies to help fight infections. Once a B cell is activated by an antigen, it undergoes a transformation into a plasma cell, ready to release antibodies that are specific to the invading pathogen. You can think of plasma cells as the weapon factories of the immune system, loaded with machinery to manufacture immunoglobulins. Morphology. Under the microscope, plasma cells have some very distinctive features. Eccentric nucleus, not centered, pushed to the side. Clock face chromatin. The nucleus looks like a clock with coarse, dark-staining chromatin arranged radially. Paranuclear halo, a clear zone near the nucleus representing the Golgi apparatus. Abundant basophilic cytoplasm indicates active protein synthesis. These features are key when identifying plasma cells in blood smears or bone marrow aspirates. Where are they found? Plasma cells are rarely found in peripheral blood under normal conditions. They mostly reside in bone marrow, lymph nodes, spleen, mucosal-associated lymphoid tissues, MALT. Their presence in blood can be a red flag, indicating a disease process. Clinical significance. While plasma cells are essential for immunity, they can also be indicators of pathology. Increased plasma cells may be seen in plasma cell leukemia, multiple myeloma, reactive conditions like infections or autoimmune diseases. In multiple myeloma, abnormal clonal plasma cells proliferate uncontrollably and produce monoclonal immunoglobulins, which can be detected by serum protein electrophoresis. Other abnormal plasma cells, like MOT cells or flame cells, carry diagnostic importance too. So remember, plasma cells are antibody-producing machines, have a unique microscopic appearance, are normally found in tissues, not blood, can indicate serious diseases if found in excess. Stay sharp, because spotting one of these cells could lead to life-saving diagnoses. If you're enjoying these hematology deep dives, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for more lab science insights. Comment below. Have you ever spotted a plasma cell on a slide?